Hey guys, welcome back to another video about the 10x income system by TabED. And today I'll be explaining a little bit more on the traffic packages. So this is sort of my back office on when you actually become a member of the 10x income program. And I'll be showing you the traffic packages and a little more details about them. So we click here and scroll down, remove this. Okay, so what we need to do is close this, scroll down into traffic suit. Okay, guys. And here, this is where you can actually purchase your traffic packages. And these do cost money, but let's take a look at this. All right, so here's a 10x traffic 5,000 pack. 5,000 leads, guys, that you can potentially turn into sales. Here we go, depending on what the conversion rate is, guys. And now I know this sounds really good. Hey, you got 5,000 people going straight to your link, guys. That sounds great. But what you really want to think about is the conversion rate, guys. So how many of these 5,000 people are actually going to convert into sales, guys? People who are actually buying this and actually giving you results. So let's click on this, guys, so we can see how much it costs. So here's the first traffic pack that is like 60 bucks. Okay, you get 5,000 people click on that link, which is huge, guys. Even if it's just like a 1% or 3% or 5% conversion rate, guys, of these 5,000 people, multiply that by 297, guys, for each person who converts, and that is huge. Okay. I haven't used these traffic packages myself, but there's a lot of people in the Facebook group who are using these packages and getting some really good results with them. I actually saw one person in the Facebook group, guys, who actually got a few results in a few days, guys, just for purchasing the $60 or it could have been the $110 package. But guys, that's definitely a pretty good ROI right there. But let's look at the other packages. Okay, so here you get 10,000. I think this is $110. You scroll down. There we go, 110. Okay, let's look at the other one. Okay, the last one is 20,000. I think this one might be 200. Yep, there we go. It's 200. All right, guys. So that's actually a pretty good deal, guys. And this is quality traffic because Tabby D is a paid Google traffic expert. She's a Google traffic expert, guys. So she's bringing quality leads straight to your link, guys. So that should strengthen the conversion rates, guys. You know. I'm actually going to buy this very soon. Like I'm going to start with the $60 one. And let me explain why I haven't bought these traffic packages yet, guys. It's because whenever I get into one of these, affiliate programs, guys, I've ran ads in the past, guys, and my ads weren't very successful when I was running them on Facebook, guys. So walking into this, I was a little skeptical about it, about this. I thought, hey, maybe this is just a way to kind of grab your money, guys, and you're dumping more money into ads, and maybe it's not going to give you a return. It's just something you can just burn your money. But I've heard some really good things about it, guys, and pretty soon we're going to put this to the test. Because I've heard a bunch of good things about it in the Facebook group. Tabby D, how she presents herself, guys, and what I've learned about her so far, I definitely trust what she's doing a little bit more. I'm definitely a little bit skeptical about it, guys. But probably at the end of the day, actually, I'm gonna buy one of these packages, guys, and actually find out for myself, guys, what these things can do. Okay, so stay tuned in the next video, guys, because I'll definitely touch more on that a little more. All right, see you later.